Bye-bye.
That's better. What's up, everyone? Welcome to our new studio, and this is a very small portion of it, and it may not look much. Hey everyone, welcome to our new studio, and it may not look like much right now. The paper background is super wrinkled because it fell like 8 times while I was trying to film this, but we're getting there, and it's going to be really awesome. If you want to see a short tour of kind of what we're working with, and then maybe some before and after, stick around till the end of this video, and I'll give you a really quick tour. So, on to the business of today. We've been preaching the importance of the Core 4 for quite a while now, and that ain't going to change anytime soon. If you're unfamiliar with our Core 4, it's comprised of a quality multivitamin, omega-3, probiotic, and a greens powder. Now, we believe these are the absolute basic supplements needed to maintain optimal health. As adults, most of us have learned that being healthy doesn't just happen. It requires discipline, hard work, and sacrifice. But what about these?
That's stupid.
Have you ever tried to give a supplement to a 4-year-old? It rarely goes well, I can tell you from experience. Most kids are picky, their taste buds are less refined, they turn their nose up at things we find delicious and then put together flavor combinations that are questionable at best. Look, we all want the best for our children, and that includes keeping them healthy and teaching them about proper diet and nutrition. We also believe that supplementing gives your body the best chance to perform optimally and can help fill in nutrient deficiencies here and there. They're likely not going to be swallowing a handful of pills, but Nordic Naturals has some great kid-friendly options that are sure to please even the pickiest little human in your house. While it's not exactly the Core 4, the principles remain the same. And if your kids are back in school, these select 4 items are a powerful immune boosting pack that can help keep them well. Check out their probiotics, their omega-3, their vitamin C, and the vitamin D. If you're around my age, you probably remember getting Pixie Sticks as a kid. And while those were just pure sugar with a bunch of dyes and absolutely zero nutritional value, Nordic Pixies are actually helping to keep your kid well. There's 3 billion CFU of lactobacillus and bifidobacterium inside, and they're actually sweetened with erythritol and xylitol, so no sugar, and they're working hard to give your kids a robust gut health. For those who are interested, the single-serving Pixie packets don't need any refrigeration, and they're gluten-free, dairy-free, and allergen-free, perfect for on-the-go or even packing in with the school lunch. Omega-3 is a powerhouse of a nutrient, and these little gummy fishies are the perfect way to make sure kids are getting their supply. Omega-3 fatty acids are considered essential fatty acids, meaning that we can't produce them on our own. They contain EPA and DHA, the latter being largely considered the most important fatty acid and playing a vital role in brain development, eye health, and you guessed it, supporting a healthy immune system. Omega-3 is sourced mostly from animal products like fatty fish, and we're gonna go ahead and assume that your kid isn't eating salmon 5 times a week. Maybe they are, I don't know. So these little tangerine flavored gummies are a great way to make sure your kids are getting this vital nutrient. The last 2 on our list rounding out this kid's immunity pack probably don't need too much explanation, and they keep the gummy train rolling: vitamin C and D. Vitamin C has long been lauded as one of the primary supplements for immune support. It's an antioxidant that encourages production of immune cells while protecting them from free radicals. Vitamin D3 is a supplement we honestly encourage everyone to take. It's one of the lowest cost versus high benefit, making it a no-brainer in most cases. Vitamin D is basically the regulator of your immune system. It stimulates peptides that live in immune cells, which destroy invading microbes. And it's true that we do convert sunlight into vitamin D3 and that it can be absorbed through food sources. But the sad fact is that a large percentage of people are still vitamin D deficient. These numbers may even increase during the winter months when the days are shorter and people enjoy fewer outdoor activities. So do your kids a favor and grab these vitamin C and vitamin D gummies. Maybe the only danger in gummies is that it's easy for the parents to snack on them as well. And these things really taste great, and they all contain little to no sugar, so you can feel good about giving them to your kids on a daily basis. Hey, if you have questions about our Core 4 and you don't have any idea of like where to start supplementing and it's something that you're wanting to do, please reach out to us, give us a call. Look at our store online. We've got great explanations of all of the products that we carry, including our Core 4, which you can put together in a bundle for a discounted price. Thank you all for watching. Have a great day. We'll see you next time. All right, everyone, here we go. Here is where I was recording just a second ago. This is definitely temporary. As you can see, it's just taped to the wall right now. We're gonna fix that in a little bit, but you work with what you got. So through there is a restroom and a small kitchenette, not that you care, but in here, oh wow. This is where we're really working. So we're not sure, honestly, who decided purple and green was the best combination, but we're actually going to be painting it all this dark gray color. I think it's going to look really nice and let us control the environment a little more. And along this long wall here, we're going to do kind of an interview style setup where we'll have a sofa and maybe a chair and just a small set where we can do interviews of either staff or practitioners that we have here, people around the community, so we're pumped about that. And then right over here, I think we're gonna do something similar to what you just saw. So we'll do some paper backdrops, maybe run them across here and drop them in front of that fireplace and have another small set there that we can work with. And then in here is really cool, and you'll likely be able to hear the difference as soon as I step in here. So this is actually sound treated very nicely. This was actually a recording studio before we moved in. So this is where we're going to be doing our podcast, which we're really excited about, having a dedicated space to be able to record. Yeah, so that's it. Now you know. So stay tuned. We're going to get it all set up. Give me another week or so and we should be ready to go. And we are pumped about getting it ready and getting more content out to you. See you.